Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we dive into a tricky problem that many developers might encounter. The issue at hand revolves around how to express a relation between the types of individual dictionary keys and their corresponding values. It's a common coding conundrum that can leave even experienced programmers scratching their heads. Moving on to the solution, we have a clever workaround that involves defining a wrapper called TypeMapperThing. This wrapper effectively conceals the use of any and provides a type-safe external API for handling key value pairs. By utilizing this approach, we can navigate around the limitations posed by trying to define a type for a dictionary in Python. In closing, we've explored a creative solution to a challenging problem in Python programming. The TypeMapperThing wrapper offers a practical way to manage type-specific mappings within dictionaries. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!